In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a typography photo manipulation in Photoshop. Go to Photoshop menu bar, select option, then choose subject. And choose pen tool. Control Alt plus Enter increase selection. Go to Photoshop menu bar window option, then choose layer. Control J, layer by copy and make white background. Then choose text tool. Right click, then choose rasterize layer. Ctrl T and right click, then choose warp. Layer copy. Go to the Photoshop layer option, then choose created clipping mask. Ctrl I inverse, then choose brush tool. Create a new layer. And make shadow. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video.